Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah. Welcome back to the interactive machine translation workshop for Arabic. Our work is getting more and more interesting. In this lecture we will see how to post-edit the automatic translation which was produced by Google Translate. As usual, we have to download the source text from the Dropbox folder. It is in the project data. Locate your serial number and locate your folder. My folder is 16. You can see here this C. Any file starting with C means the task is just to type the text as it is. And we have two projects whose names start with P. It means that we have to post-edit the automatic translation which was produced by Google Translate. In these two files, there is no translation provided. We have to translate it in the Translog window. We will come to this later on. And now I will select P1. This is the project. As I told you, if it is active, it will be open. If it is not active, you can download it. From here, for the sake of ease of work, I will copy it to the desktop. This is the post-editing project, and this is P1. This is the first one. It has to be opened with Translog user. Click Open Project, and it is in the desktop. And this file is P1R1. Click Open. The status is ready. I can start logging. You can see the source text is in English and the translation is aligned. This translation was produced by Google Translate, and I have aligned these sentences for you. Each sentence in English is aligned with the corresponding translation of it in Arabic. We have to check whether this translation is good or not, and we have to scan it word by word. You can see this, you can check, you can read this sentence and read its translation. If there is any mistake, whether it is spelling or translation or mistranslation or what kind of error, you can type it, you can change it in Translog. So this sentence, the first sentence looks good, and this one there is considerable scope for us to enhance that our cooperation, including through our mutually ally in the United States. I think this sentence, this translation does not look good, so I have to edit this. So this بما في ذلك, I think it is not accurate. I will delete it. And this one, al-mutabadal, is not good. I can say that it is al-mushtarak. As usual, I don't want to influence the participants who have the same source text as I have. I will pause the recording until I finish, then I will show you how to save this log as XML file and how to upload it into the Dropbox. So after I finished making my editings to the best of my knowledge and to the best of my experience, you may have more experience, you may have different opinion, so you can edit this as if it was given to you to correct this translation. I finished my editing. I will click stop logging, then it will prompt whether to save the log file. I will check yes, and I will save it in the desktop with my serial number Arabic P16 underscore the original name of the file P1R1. It will be saved. The log file was successfully saved. I will close Translog. And now I have to edit this file. I want to add the language tag. As I told you, in line 17 I have to make a new line, and I have made a small improvement. You can find this in your Dropbox. In this file I have copied the XML line which has to be added to each XML file, and now it is here. I will save it. I will close. I'll close this and close this. And now I have to upload the post-edited translation which I have just finished to Dropbox. Still I am on the on my page on Dropbox. I will click on upload files. I will check on desktop, and this is Arabic P1 Arabic P16 P1R1. I will click open. It will be uploaded. It's now uploaded. There it is. You can when you are on the Dropbox, you can click on this and it will open. It looks like a web page. Later on we will see how these tags and this metadata is helpful for us to track the translation processes and to find out how the Arabic translator translates any given text or post-edits any given text. That's it for this lecture. In the next lecture I will be posting how to post-edit the second project. See you then. Thank you.